All right, this is page 3 in your 7-4 packet. We're going to do some practice. So the first one, the directions say sketch a graph for each line. So this says the x-intercept is 2. Well, this is my x line, so I'm going to put a dot on 2. This next part says the y-intercept is 2. Okay, so this is our y line. I'm going to put a dot on 2. And then all I do is connect my dots and I have a line. Okay, so I need you to do that like I just did for number 2, number 3, and number 4. After you have those 3 drawn, turn the next page. On this page, we're not going to do that one because I think it's stupid, and we're also not going to do this bottom one because I think it's stupid. I'm going to show you how to do number 6, and then you'll do number 7. So I have this equation in standard form. I can't graph it in standard form unless I do some sort of math. So I'm going to change my x's to 0, and I'm going to change my y's to 0. So the first step to do that is that I write the problem twice. In this first problem, I'm going to take away my x and make it a 0. All right? So 0 minus 2y is negative 2y equals 6. Divide by negative 2. Y equals negative 3. All right, the same thing we did on the other side. This is my y line. I need to put a dot on negative 3. Perfect. All right, let's figure out this x. To figure out the x, oops, that's not an eraser. I make the y a 0, so x plus 0. Well, anything plus 0 is the same thing, so x equals 6. So on the x line, because x equals 6, I'm going to put a dot. And now I just connect my lines. So I need you to do what I just did for number 7. It might be easier if we put 1s in front of these guys. All right, write the problem twice. Put a 0 in, see what y equals. Put another 0 in, see what x equals. When you're done with that, I need you to get out your 7-5 notes. On your 7-5 notes, we're going to talk about vertical lines. Vertical lines are the ones that go up and down. And horizontal lines, those are the ones that go side to side. The equation for a vertical line is always going to be x equals a number. I'm just going to write number. That means a number, any number. Okay? Vertical lines are, well, when I look at that graph, it's undefined. Remember, when I have an up and down line, it has an undefined slope. So the equation for this graph, it's an up and down graph, so it's going to be x equals, well, my dot is on 2. So x equals 2, and that's all. When we have horizontal lines, those are side to side lines, it's going to be y equals some sort of number. So horizontal lines, that straight across line, have 0 slope, and the equation for this picture, well, the dot's way down here, so y equals negative 4. Okay? Let's look at these down here. Number 1, the dot is right here, and that's on the x line, so it's going to be x equals negative 5. Okay? So do that. Write the equation for each of these, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're done, flip over to the back page. Okay, on this page, I've written the equation, but you have to graph it. So y equals -3. Well, I know that this is my y line, and the dot's on -3. Okay, if I were going to draw a line, I can't do it up and down because you can't see it. It just blends in with that line I just drew. So instead of doing an up and down line, whenever we have a y like that, we do it side to side. So that is y equals -3. I'm going to change this to a 6 because it won't fit on the graph. All right, x. Well, this is our x line. It says x is 6, so I put a dot on the 6. Now, if I go back and just trace the line I drew, it won't show up. I can't see it. So I have to go up and down. Okay? So look here at whether it's x or y, and that will tell you whether you go up and down for x and side to side for y. When you are done, turn all this work into me. Thank you. Oh, yeah, and do 8 through 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thanks.